Gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ sinimá Yorùbá, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ máa ń gbádùn àwọn amazing Nollywood movies tá a máa ń mú wá fún yín, tá a máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀, ẹ káàbọ̀ padà sí orí channel wa. Lónìí, sinimá tá a fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀, sinimá Gen Z School by Apánkófọ̀ ni. Sinimá yẹn ó jẹ́ sinimá tó dùn gan, but ká tó tẹ̀síwájú, tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rẹ tí ẹ̀yin máa ṣe alábàápàdé fídíò wa àbí ṣe alábàápàdé channel wa, ẹ subscribe sórí channel yìí, ẹ like fídíò yìí ká lè jọ máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn future movies tó dára, ọgbọ́n tí a bá kọ́ ńbẹ̀ àti àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n kó ipa ribiribi nínú sinimá kọ̀ọ̀kan la máa sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí. So lónìí, ẹ ká kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn actors tó wà nínú sinimá Gen Z School Part 1. A máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìdí tí sinimá yìí ṣe nílò láti ní apá kejì àti wípé ìgbà wo ni kí apá kejì jáde, àwọn wo ni kí wọ́n wà nínú apá kejì. Starting from actors that are in this movie. Ẹni àkọ́kọ́ tí mo kọ́kọ́ like jù nínú sinimá yìí, Òkèlè ni. Lẹ́yìn náà, mo like Tósìn, mo like Apá, mo like Gaji, mo dẹ̀ like Principal and couple of other students náà tó ṣe kíni tí wọ́n ṣe iṣẹ́ wọn dáadáa. There are some skit makers in this movie bí Ẹniòlófó, Ìyá Habib, Rufai and many others. Even Ozain is there too. So gbogbo wọn ni wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe kíni ni wọ́n perform dáadáa. Let's continue by stating each character and what they do and how did they do it. Mo like character Òkèlè nínú sinimá yìí torí wípé Òkèlè fi ara ṣiṣẹ́. Òkèlè ó ń jẹ́ relatable person nínú fíìmù yìí. Èèyàn tó bá lọ sí irú àwọn school yìí tàbí tó bá lọ sí public school for example will know that àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n àgbàyà kan máa ń wà nínú class tó jẹ́ pé others gan máa wò, àwọn student tó kù máa wò níwò wípé kí ni ẹni yìí tún ń kàwé fún? What's the purpose? Kí ni reason tí ẹni yìí ṣe ń wá sí school? And in most cases, wọ́n máa ń ní reason láti wá. Wọ́n máa ń ní reason bí kí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ kan, kí wọ́n sọ fún wọn wípé at least you need secondary school certificate. You need to be secondary school certificate holder. So ìyẹn máa ń gbé ẹlòmíì wá. Ẹlòmíì fẹ́ travel ni, ẹlòmíì so many things ló fẹ́ ní nǹkan tí ẹlòmíì fẹ́ ṣe tó jẹ́ pé the only thing they need is the result. Kì í ṣe pé school yẹn ni ó bàbàrà sí wọn àbí ó important sí wọn. And in most cases, most of them náà wọ́n máa ń ya ìyàkuyà nínú school because they are more wild, they are more intelligent, they are more exposed. Yes, wọ́n ti expose ju level àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n jọ wà lọ. So àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe nígbà míì will look wrong. Yes, for example bí irú bí Òkèlè ṣe lọ ń toast Tósìn nínú fíìmù yẹn is very wrong for students to be bold like that. Ó bold dé level wípé even when principal is trying to talk to him about the whole thing, bí ìyẹn ṣe lọ fẹjọ́ ẹ̀sùn àná, kò feel remorse, kò feel bákan. He believes it is normal. Lórí pé àwa ń bá ara wa sọ̀rọ̀ ni ó wá lọ ń fẹjọ́ sùn lé lórí. So he doesn't say it as anything. But come to think of it, ọmọ tó jẹ́ pé first time nìyẹn, like first time of being in school nìyẹn, kò dẹ̀ expose to level yẹn. Tó bá gbọ́ pé wọ́n fẹ́ fẹjọ́ òun sùn principal gan lásán, ó lè kọ́kọ́ sálọ kó torí ẹ̀ kó wá school for days. So exposure wọn ó ti máa ń ju ibi tí wọ́n wà yẹn lọ. So that is one. I like Tosin in this movie because Tosin ni ó kọ́kọ́ jẹ́ bí female comic person nínú fíìmù yìí and she played the role so well, especially àwọn scenes ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú Apá. Wọ́n fi Apá ṣe èèyàn tó jẹ́ pé kò really fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ báyẹn. Ó ṣáà ń calm. With that, they started giving him names. They started calling him what he is not. So Tosin tó play role yẹn, ó play ẹ̀ dáadáa because the way she's speaking to him, the way she's trying to talk to him, the way she's forcing herself on him, mo mo really gba títí ẹ̀ dáadáa nínú fíìmù yìí. Mo really like Tosin nínú fíìmù yìí. She played her role so well. Another person tí mo like òun ni what's it called? Ozin. Yes, Ozin náà play role ẹ̀ dáradára. Ozin played a role of àwọn ọmọ àwọn ọmọkọ́mọ tí wọ́n máa ń believe nínú oògùn. Wọ́n máa ń believe nínú oògùn, yes. Ozil is one of them in that school. And ó dẹ̀ padà lo oògùn yẹn náà at the end of the day. So he used the charm in I think 2 scenes or thereabout. So yeah, there are several students like that. There are pupils like that tó ṣe wípé gbogbo ohun tó wà lórí wọn ó wild ju ohun táwọn ẹgbẹ́ wọn ń rò lọ. Because normally I don't know why a secondary school student will be thinking of pé òun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan pẹ̀lú teacher òun, òun fẹ́ gbogbo àwọn serious activities tó wà fún àwọn adults, àwọn tó ti kàwé tán, àwọn tó ti níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́. Òun làwọn nǹkan tí àwọn student míì máa ń fẹ́ ṣe nígbà táwọn gan kò dẹ̀ tí dé level yẹn. So it's an amazing story that actually teaches students some lesson. And the reason tí mo ṣe mọ̀ wípé sinimá yìí ní apá kejì òun nìyẹn. Òun ni wípé they need to show us what later happened to people like Ozin tó fi nǹkan sí kinní fún teacher ẹ̀. Even though they said they will shut down the school, I believe the story will still continue. And yes, it is easy for the story to continue. They can beg the federal government, they can beg the state government for reapproval, and wọ́n dẹ̀ máa sọ fún wọn pé àwọn ọmọ táwọn máa gbà henceforth will be a good one. So kò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ kí wọ́n ti school kí wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe kíni kí wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe padà. So it's an amazing strategy. So I want to talk about Gaji and kí lorúkọ ọmọ yẹn? Fisayo, yes. I want to talk about Gaji and Fisayo Mi Apebi. Fisayo played her role so well, and I'm glad she's getting matured every day by day, getting different kind of roles to play in movie now. Nígbà kan, Fisayo Apebi is only known for àwọn mysterious role yẹn, àwọn roles tó wà scary ló máa ń ṣe. Òun dẹ̀ ni most àwọn èèyàn máa ń pè fún. But now, ó ti yàtọ̀. Òun náà ti ń ṣe kíni, ó ti ń explore, ó ti ń ṣe àwọn nǹkan míì tó yàtọ̀ sí the normal things tó ń ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀. So I really, really commend her for that. And yeah, it's a good idea. It's a brave thing for you to be like, ẹ má máa fi mí ṣe mysterious role yìí nìkan mọ́. Ẹ fún mi láwọn roles mi, I can kill it. So, and she killed that role in this movie, playing the role of ọmọ ìyá agbálẹ̀ tó ń claim ọmọ olówó. So she played the role so well. And another person, yeah, tí mo tún really gbé fún dáadáa nínú movie yìí, òun ni Gaji. Gaji played his role too so well. There are teachers like that. There are teachers like that tó ṣe pé wọ́n máa láfojúsùn ọmọ kan nínú school tó ṣe wípé wọ́n máa bá sùn, wọ́n máa fún láwọn activities nǹkan tí kò yẹ kí ọmọ yẹn ṣì mọ̀ àbí kó sì máa ṣe at all. So they will expose students to àwọn nǹkan tí ò ní ìtumọ̀, tí ò dáa fún wọn láti máa ṣe, instead of them to be the teacher that they are supposed to be the guidance that they are supposed to be. Kí wọ́n bá ọmọ yẹn sọ̀rọ̀. Ọkọ mi, ilé ayé ò lọ báyìí, má ṣe báyìí, stop nǹkan báyìí. These things are wrong. No. Instead, àwọn fún ara wọn la máa bá nídìí ìbàjẹ́. And most times, iyán ogún ọdún ni, oyi ń gbóná lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ tásìkò ẹ̀san bá dé. I feel like what happened to him in this movie is karma. Karma gbogbo ìwà ìbàjẹ́ tó wù, ìwà tí ò da tó wù pẹ̀lú students, òun ni nǹkan tó jèrè ẹ̀. So I feel like, yeah, it is normal for him to go like that. It is normal for something like that to happen to him. So ẹ sọ fún mi ní comment section, ta ni olólùfẹ́ tí yín, ta ni ẹ̀yin fẹ́ràn dáadáa nínú sinimá Gen Z School apá kejì? Ta ni, apá kìíní, sorry. Ta ni ẹni tí ẹ fẹ́ràn dáadáa nínú Gen Z School apá kìíní? Ta ni ẹ̀ ń retí? Ta ni ẹ̀ ń wò wípé tẹ́lẹ̀yí bá dẹ̀ wà nínú apá kejì o, ó dẹ̀ máa ṣe kíni? Ó máa gbé wa dé ibẹ̀ bí àwọn tó wà nínú apá kìíní ṣe gbé wa dé ibẹ̀. Yes, let me talk about the principal too. The principal too is not okay. He's not really really okay like that, because tell me why tí gbogbo àwọn activities báyẹn máa máa ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú school ẹ̀ tó ò rí àwọn ọmọ yẹn kó kọ́kọ́ tí ẹ kọ́kọ́ lé kan kó rusticate kan kúrò nínú school. Tó bá ti lé kan kúrò, orí àwọn tó kù máa pẹ́. So it teaches that principals are meant to have actions too. They need to be active, very very active, and at the end of the day they need to be active. Just that they need to be very 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 active about the students, what's going on around students. Try to know them more and more. Bí irú apá yẹn nísìnyí, he doesn't even care to make research about him, call him and hear from him. He doesn't even ready to hear anything. He just made the conclusion that Òkèlè sọ pé cultist làwọn, cultist dẹ̀ ni wọ́n nìyẹn. It's not supposed to be so. Even if they have odd things they are doing, you call them to order. Wàá pè wọ́n, nǹkan tó ń ṣe nínú school yìí kò ń ṣe nǹkan tó make sense. Meet me in my office lásán. Should be something that gbogbo wọn máa jáyà láti gbọ́ pé anybody tó bá lọ tí principal bá fi lè sọ fún pé meet me in my office, ó ti tán fẹ́ nìyẹn nìyẹn o, tí ẹ ti bá nìyẹn o. So ìbẹ̀rù gbọ́dọ̀ wà. That's a big lesson for the teachers who watched this movie. The teachers, the principals, the head of departments láwọn ibòmíì náà tó jẹ́ pé àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké ni wọ́n wà ń bẹ̀. Guide them, let them know. And tí ọmọdé ò bá ní olùbẹ̀rù, Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ká yé ọmọ yẹn dá o. Most times, èèyàn míì tó wà okay lénìí, èèyàn míì tí life ẹ̀ lọ bó ṣe fẹ́ lénìí is as a result of pé wọ́n ní èèyàn kan tí wọ́n ń bẹ̀rù pé tí n bá ṣe báyìí tí lágbájá bá gbọ́, tí n bá ṣe báyìí tí daddy mi bá gbọ́, Mr. Kinikan ò gbọdọ̀ mọ̀ pé mo hùrú ìwà báyìí, wọn ò gbọdọ̀ bá mi nídìí irú nǹkan báyìí. Is as a result of pé wọ́n ṣe kíni o, wọ́n ní èèyàn tí wọ́n bẹ̀rù, wọ́n ní olùbẹ̀rù. Yes, wọ́n ní olùbẹ̀rù. That's the reason why they can easily make it in life. The reason why they can be prosper in life. I feel like one of the reason is having someone you really really fear or scared of. Pé tí n bá fi lè ṣe nǹkan tí ò dá tẹ́ni yìí bá gbọ́, tó bá gbá mi mú, wọ́n lè na ilé ayé mi bàjẹ́. So, and I know many people, many of you who are watching this movie will understand, who are watching this video too, will understand what I'm saying, that ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ Ọlọ́run, ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ pé mo ṣe kíni, mo ní àwọn tí èmi náà bẹ̀rù. If not, ní tí ìbá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú life mi, it's not something I will be proud of. It's not something I will be bold of. Ẹlòmíì ò bá ti yàyàkuyà. If not for pé ó ṣe kíni, ó lé èèyàn kan gbòógì nínú life ẹ̀ tó important sí, tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ń sọ fún wípé this thing you are doing is not proper. Change your ways. Ló ń jẹ́ kí ẹlòmíì, because ẹlòmíì ò mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó ń ṣe gan wrong at some point in time. You will not know, you may not know that what you are doing is wrong. But when you see people who have action to call you to order, orí èèyàn ó pé, orí èèyàn ó set. So, I love Rufai in this movie too, but I feel like bóyá púpọ̀ wọn máa wà nínú apá kejì o, I don't know. But apá kìíní yìí, this part one, Rufai has not really really featured more like that. Bí scene bí mélòó kan ló ṣe. Okay, she still acted. She acted with Fisáyọ̀mí Àbẹ̀bí, Òkèlè too, yes. Mo rántí pé òun náà ni Òkèlè fẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ tó blast Òkèlè. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She did her best. And me personally would like seeing many of these content creators in movies. Ìyá Habib àti Orofo, they don't really work in this movie. Like, kì í ṣe pé wọ́n really fún wọn ní time àti space láti ṣe àwọn ìwà wọn tí wọ́n máa ń wù yẹn. So I feel like they should be in part two too. Ta ni ẹ̀yin fẹ́ kó wà nínú apá kejì? Ta ni ẹ believe pé tó bá wà nínú apá kejì o, ó máa ṣe dáradára even ju àwọn èèyàn míì tó ti wà nínú apá kìíní lọ? Ẹ sọ ní comment section. Ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa ká jọ learn from this. Let's learn something new. Let's learn from this amazing movie. I love the actors. Actors that I love in this movie are Apa, Tosin, Okele, Ozain, yeah, àti Ogbolúkẹ́, which is the person that did the principal. Àwọn náà wọ́n ṣe kíni, wọ́n really try. So mo like àwọn actors yẹn, they perform so well. Every other actors too perform well, but àwọn tí mo rí wípé wọ́n really perform dáadáa, àwọn ni mo kà sílẹ̀ yẹn. So tell me, who are your favorites in this movie? And ta ni ẹ máa wish láti rí nínú apá kejì sinimá yìí? Thank you and God bless you.